Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurjana. I study at the University of Alma-Ata and my major is accounting. In this moment, I will present the result a review of the article. The title is Boring Daring, who made by Mr. Sugeng Winarno. He is a lecturer in Communication Science, Faculty of Social and Political Science in Muhammadiyah Malang University. Okay, the pandemic has been endemic for approximately 2 years. Many sectors have been harmed. Education is one of the sectors affected by the pandemic, where learning must be done online to reduce virus transmission. In Indonesia, also practicing online teaching and learning activities. In Indonesia, online teaching and learning activities have been going on since 2020, but sometimes I think there are very many obstacles. For the example, difficult to get signal, tired eyes, or eyes become sore, and then feel boring because online learning and then face-to-face learning so are very different because the online learning have the tendency so higher for feel boring than meeting in person. In the article, there is a sentence that Mr. Sugeng said, "Not of you teacher, lecturer, and student feel bored when doing and practicing in online class. Boring, daring is the conclusion per of view of describe of online learning during the pandemic. That, in fact, is contrary to reality that many students and educators are never bored when they linger on various social media platforms. Why is that? Even though both activities are carried out in realm of the cyberspace, feeling of boredom can occur because something they do is not interesting, monotone, and passive. So many learning activities are boring, maybe because the activities is don't inspire enthusiasm, don't accommodate participation, and then are burdensome and unpleasant. Next, in this article also mention a comparison of why when we play social media we don't feel boring. Um, Even though we often play for hours every day, but we don't feel boring. Okay, the first is that social media is able to build interactively between its user, so the conversation feel two-way like chatting and enjoy. The second is social media language is not rigid, so it don't seem too formal and easy to understand. The third is the social media is also able to build participation of all its users, so user can upload and download the content. That is the good things about the social media and make we are not boring when using. Okay, but different when during we are online learning, usually we are feel boring, so boring. I mean because communication in social media more interesting than online learning. Okay, this is a several reason why we are feel boring when online learning. First, in online learning usually filled only with assessment than discussion. The second is communication in online learning feel one way or instructional. In my experience, when I taking an online learning with the instructional class is more boring than a class provide feedback to the audience and interactive, so it's very interesting. Third is the age gap between the educator and student make the atmosphere awkward because the conversation will feel more formal. Last is the lack of innovation. Innovation for triggered feedback from audience and make listen fun and interactive. That is a reason why the online learning is boring, different when we are using the social media, because social media can answer the user needed starting for interactive communication, entertainment, and that can be interesting. Although physical started by this time, interaction on social media can be built more closer. From the advantages social media, that can be one solution to carry out online learning that is not boring. Okay, in the last page is conclusion, and the conclusion of the article is that all communication that is carried out in two directions or interactively will be more fun than instructional, including online learning. Okay, in the last I wanna say sorry for my mistakes and thank you for all. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.